equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have a screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a replacement motor. First, unplug your Dyson SV14. Remove the screws from the main body using your screwdriver. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing. Be careful not to damage any clips. Next, locate the motor. It's usually at the center of the unit. Disconnect the motor wires carefully. Take your new motor and connect the wires, ensuring a secure fit. Before sealing everything back up, take a moment to clean the internal components with a cloth. This helps maintain performance. Now, align the casing and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure. If you're unsure about any step, remember, you can always get a professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so no calls, no travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair. Your Dyson will be back to its best in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.